Hey, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, we discover what a manufacturing process is and discuss the different processes, how to use them, and the advantages of each. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start the video. Introduction. Industrial manufacturing processes are the important mechanisms of heavy industry. These are events including chemical, physical, electrical, or mechanical steps. These processes provide help in the manufacturing of an item or items. Usually, these processes are carried out on a very large scale. There are many ordinary manufacturing processes useful across industries. Companies may vary which they use or adapt productions to design and business requirements. In this video, we discover what a manufacturing process is and discuss the different processes, how to use them, and the advantages of each. Description. A manufacturing process is in what way a company shapes or makes a product. It may be a composite activity. That includes a variety of machinery, tools, and equipment. That is comprised of several levels of automation using computers, robots, and cloud-based technology. A corporate found its own manufacturing process to yield goods. Those are definitely for its clients. A company chooses which production way to select based on factors. Those factors are, for example, consumer demand, sales forecasts, the assembly method, materials involved, and what resources are existing. For instance, we might select to produce a product in bulk batches. We may choose a sure ingredient is in stock or on sale, or in smaller numbers to achieve customer orders deprived of having added storage costs. Numerous nowadays manufacturing processes date back to the Industrial Revolution of the 1800s. That appropriated industry from man-made to man and machine-made. As technology develops, processes get informal to recognize and follow. Individually, every approach is exclusive with certain advantages to complete a detailed task. There are subsectors inside the industry, for example, food, apparel, chemical or electronic manufacturing. Types of manufacturing processes. One manufacturing process might work well than another for a company depending on the type of business or product. Here are some types of manufacturing processes used in industries all-inclusive today. Repetitive manufacturing. Repetitive manufacturing is suitable when producing repeat production at a dedicated production rate. This manufacturing process has committed production lines all working on a similar product or component all day, every day year-round. For the reason that there is such slight changeover and setup. We may match operation rapidity to customer demand, or the client needs to brand more or fewer items. Companies that use the repetitive manufacturing process are which produce electronic goods, automobiles or durable consumer goods like refrigerators and clothes dryers. Job shop manufacturing. Job shop manufacturing uses manufactured parts as an alternative to an assembly line. It is most frequently used for small batch, custom products. That is made to order for firm clients or customers. These workstations might emphasize one specific product or one or two of them. Those are similar to a custom shoemaker or commercial printing press and effortlessly offer the ability to modify the final product. Several machine shops likewise use this type of manufacturing to brand local industrial machinery, ship components, or particular parts for the aviation industry. Some of these sites might use job shop manufacturing software with development in technology. It helps achieve workflow and production. A business may help by moving from job shop manufacturing to repetitive manufacturing to scale volume for higher production rates. It enables more automation and fewer people. Batch process manufacturing. Batch process manufacturing dividends resemblances with discrete and job shop manufacturing processes. These are driven by customer demand or the convenience of ingredients and raw materials. One manufacturing run can produce a batch sufficient to fill client requirements. Therefore, we finish production, fresh the equipment, and restart when we need another batch. Productions often rely on batch process manufacturing are: batch process manufacturing, food production, newspaper printing, bookbinding, and pharmaceuticals. Discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing practices an assembly or production line. However, it is much more varied than repetitive manufacturing. It permits for more recurrent changeover and variation. A company may have many styles, sizes, or modifications for a product. Those are with discrete manufacturing, yet it repeatedly means production may take longer due to additional setup or removal as needed. Automobile and aircraft manufacturers use the discrete manufacturing process. Also included with many companies that prepare clothing, medical devices, toys, and smartphones. Continuous process manufacturing. Continuous process manufacturing rounds all the time like repetitive manufacturing. The change in this process emphasizes raw materials that are regularly gases, powders, liquids, or slurry. Continuous process manufacturing is mostly being used by oil refining, metal smelting, paper production, and nearly all food products are similar to tomato sauce, juice, and peanut butter. 3D printing. 3D printing is being recognized nowadays in many industries as a manufacturing process with widespread use. It was developed in the 1980s. 3D printing uses several composites and materials like plastics and metals to prepare three-dimensional goods layer by layer. That layer is based on a digital model, rather than using physical labor or mechanization. There has been a huge expansion in this field by lots of equipment manufacturers. 3D printing. It also proposes the potential to decrease financial capital, raw materials, and waste as 3D printing may be expensive. It allows companies to create and test products before committing to them on a greater scale. This rising manufacturing process is now being used for products, for example, medical and dental devices, prosthetic limbs, firearms, shoes, musical instruments, buildings, industrial development and financial progress. Industrial developments have factually led to eras of economic growth. Novel technologies make jobs informal, sooner, and better. These can lead to an upsurge in a business output and growth in profits. Industrialization in the workforce has several profits that are more far-reaching additionally. Following are some benefits of industrial development. Improves profits. Leads to urbanization. Increases output and productivity. Unique industry leads to growth in others. Reduces unemployment and poverty. Provide higher standard of living. For more details visit https://www.technologiesandindustry4.com/2021/08/what-or-industrial-manufacturing-processes.html